Hi everyone, this is Aspire Clinical small demo just to understand the functionalities and how it exactly works. So basically, this is the dashboard where you can see the total billing as per today, or the week and the month, or the uh, total billing is what you can see here. And this should be appointments where you can see how many appointments has been scheduled, how many are in progress, and how many are closed. So it gives you a lot of options like calendar and my activities and stream, which is any changes done on any account, it will be shown here. And this is the patient portal, so you can see the patient name, number, and the ID, and consultation type, and the status, and total billing. So once you get into the customer's details, you'll get to see his image, his email ID, his age, and source, was it walk-in, and his date of birth, and health conditions like if they have any allergies and all that. And so basically the patient status would be in check-in, and so once they check out, automatically there'll be an option of billing, where you can add the billing and all that. So once patient has been created, uh, next thing is the appointment. So basically there are two ways to create an appointment for any patients. So basically, why do we create patient? Because patient will have multiple appointments, right? So that's why if you see this, your keys, they'll have multiple appointment like this with the different doctors, right? So so once that is done, you can see the total appointments, and from the patient portal, once you go to the patient, you can see the total appointments and the total billing as well. So like how many appointments they have uh, come and all that, who was the doctor and all that. So this is one specific appointment. So there are two ways to create appointment. One, you can come here, create an appointment from here. If not, you can come back to the patient and create an appointment here. So this has to be under check-in. So let's click on this plus icon here. And once you select the date, and status should be a new, and priority, and select the doctor from here, whoever the doctor is. And this is the appointment portal where you can see all the appointments. And this is a patient education. So basically these are the articles which you can share it with the customers. So you can see the titles of the patient education article, like how do you treat heart failure. Let's say if you want to send this article you know to any of the customer, you can send it like this. So you can just select the email ID from the patient portal, and you can once you select this, it's going to automatically send it from here. And next is the doctor portal, where you can see all the doctors and their specializations. So we can create multiple doctors. So basically how it works is, once the appointment has been scheduled, that automatically goes to the doctor. So I'm just gonna create a small appointment here. Let's see, let's create for Kevin. Let's say today around 4 o'clock. Okay, status normal. So will be the consultation charges. So once you save, automatically there'll be a notification which goes to customer. So if we see this, so it says, dear Kevin, your appointment is scheduled on 6th December. So automatically they get notified, right? And default it will be new. So once they come in, the operator has to change the status to assigned. So that will go to the doctor directly. Once they assign, So now I'm going to show you the doctor portal. So this is the doctor portal. So once I assign this to Dr. Mahesh and update, so that will show here. See, Kevin has come here. So once the patient come in, doctor, he does prescription, he writes tabs. um, so if they want to, give any test like fever panel or vitamin B12, any test, so they can do that as well. And test charges is something which you can mention about the charges. So this one operator will take care. So once after this, they click on save. So automatically the prescription and the test, all that will be saved. And this is the doctor portal where they can see all the appointments of calendar, documents, and all that. So doctors can see other doctors who all are available and all that. So let's go to the operator panel once again. So this is the operator panel. So let's say Kevin's appointment is done, and let's say it's closed. So once from assigned it comes to close, they ask for the payment mode, like how are they making the payment. Either it has to be a card or cash or credit or UPI. The amount would be there, and just click on save. And let's say that this customer had a test, right? Let's say test charges was 300. So that automatically it will add the charges. So let's say the test was 400. So if you see automatically it will show 900. That is 400 for the test and 500 for the consultation charges. Total is 900. So once you take the payment, you close the appointment, and you can come back to the patient. Kevin, this was under check-in, right? So just make it as checkout. Total amount whatever they have paid. Amount paid was 900. Total billing was 900. So balance goes 0. So this goes under checkout. So like this, you'll have multiple patients here. So you can go whenever they're coming. So you can create multiple appointments from here. A cycle. You can create multiple appointments. So this is the operator portal where they can see patient appointment, patient education, all the doctors. Now let's say there's a new doctor, so you have to create an ID, right? Basically you can come back here, create a username, select the roles and all that. Passwords can be generated here, and if you want to add an image of the doctor, you can do that from here as well. So similarly, even patient has a image. You can get an image here. So once you click on create patient, so let's say you want to put on a date of birth. So once you save this, automatically the age would be shown. So patient education, I think I have told about this. This is article which you can send it to multiple. Like if you want to send diet, you can send this to the patient directly. And so these are your inventories where you can see how many inventories are there with the stocks and expiry of it and total pricing of that particular tablets. So all these are the email and meetings and task and all that. Basically task, as you know, let's say if you want to create a task for the next appointment, you can create from here. let's say for this particular patient. Now this was done right today. So if you want to create a task wherein you have to just call and give a reminder to the patient telling that they have a new appointment, so that can be done from here. You can just create a task to that particular account or the patient, and once you click on save, let's say you want to give a reminder on Jan 10th to 11th, so you can. So once you click on this, it gets saved. So basically that will give you a reminder that you have to call Kevin on. It will give a reminder on 9th telling that you have to call him for the new appointment. So basically these are your calendars which will show you the overall appointments and all that. So you have a different options here. You can go either a month or a week or timeline basis as well. So basically this is going to show you all the appointments and the task which was created. And these are documents. If you want to keep any documents, you can store that here for that particular patient, or even in the patient portal also you have an option of keeping or storing all the documents. Say, let's say this appointment, you got the lab report, so you can just select the lab report and you can save it here. And inventories, I think I've covered. And if you want to create a new inventory, you can just go on here and click on create new inventory. You can put the product name, image and all that. That will automatically show here. Dashboard, again, it's going to show you all the total billing and total amount appointments which has been closed. So all these are stored under cloud, and it's very safe to use. And the best part is we can customize this. Let's say if you want to make any changes or if you want to add any more options here, you can do that. Let's say if you want to add more allergies, you can do that as well. All right, please do reach out to us if you have any doubts. And I'm going to also mention the phone number after this demo. You can reach out to us. Thank you so much.